Which is why, Gaurav, we have been propagating that pass Lokpal bill under the concurrent list, because there's a very wide, if you want to cover the rest, which we need to cover, to my mind, that's what we've been agitating, that the Lokpal must not ignore the common man, because it's a common man who's, even in your survey, it's a common man who is voicing, in a way, is giving a voice vote to this. He is completely fed up of what's going on, the collusive bribery or compulsory bribery, because nothing can be done without paying at the bottom level. So if we are saying that bring Lokpal through the concurrent list, make it a national law, but Lok Ayuks will take care of the ground level. But along with it, so bring it under, so that there is uniformity of pattern. At the moment, it's a big difference between one Lok Ayukt of a state and another. Like, for instance, certain states have a chief minister in their ambit, and some Lok Ayukts do not have the chief minister. And some states don't even have a Lok Ayukt, which is going to look at the state government officials' corruption. Now, the point is, how long will the people agitate at the respective states to improve the Lok Ayukts? Like, for instance, the Delhi Lok Ayukt only has a political class in it. It does not have the bureaucracy covering it. So the Delhi bureaucracy is neither covered, therefore the lower bureaucracy will be neither covered under the Delhi Lok Ayukt, nor will be covered under Lokpal. They will still come under the CBI, which will the anti-corruption wing of the That means if there's a CWG issue, then it's getting divided between three. The CBI controlled by the government, the Lokpal for the senior officers, and the political people will be three confusion. There will be Delhi Lokpal.
The rat actually gets away, the corrupt rat.
The anti-corruption wing. So
will actually get away. What's the BJP's take on this?
See, it is a very critical point which Kiran Bedi has raised on the issue of concurrent list. Now, while we are not against this, very clearly we are in favor of a very powerful mechanism to handle corruption both at the central and state level. But in matters of concurrent list, because it involves the state administration also, and it is an area which, given the state of affairs then in the constitution, was very clearly left for the states to deal with. We want the federal structure not to be weakened by something which happens only in the center and being sent over to the state saying, we've passed this, you take it, kind of a thing. We should have a very comprehensive discussion with the state governments. Yes, we need very powerful Lok Ayukts. We need it everywhere. We need it in every state. But Kiran, it cannot be something which the center decides without the state's involvement.
Anyway, nothing should be forced down anybody's throat. It needs to be debated. The question that we are asking is, can corruption be tackled by the government's draft of the Lokpal bill? That question will come to after a short break. This debate will continue. Stay with us here on Headlines Today.